Makcik dia panggil.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Can I interview you?
Of course.
So, are you the shop owner?
Yes, I am.
So, can you tell me more about yourself and also the name of your shop?
Oh, okay. My name is Emma. This is
Okay.
my brand, Emma Melissa Apparel.
Okay.
And I'm selling women's clothing.
Okay, where is this shop actually located?
Oh, this shop is located at Gordon Landmark,
Okay.
second floor, 0225.
So can you show us what you have at your shop or not? Like
Okay.
what kind of designs and what you specialize in?
Currently, we have our Raya collection because we specialize in linen material.
Okay.
So for this Raya collection, I bring in 3 different kinds of colors
Okay.
and 3 different kinds of material, which
Okay.
is the linen,
Uh-huh.
the silk, and the silk satin. Okay,
Ah.
yeah. So like this one, this is linen collections.
Okay.
Okay, we call it suri linen with the embroideries. And
Okay.
you see dekat sleeve pun ada embroidery, and the collections is in between the kurung and kebaya. So you can fit it very elegantly lah for sambutan raya nanti.
Inshallah. Okay, I have one more question to ask you. I heard you are the co-owner of Decorama.
Oh yes, I am.
Okay, what makes you want to go into a different industry from a wedding into fashion?
Okay. Okay, actually this clothing line is not even in plan, but it started during COVID times, when the business was down for wedding industry. So I come out with these linen wear collections because personally I love linen. So as a startup, I have pop-up store and also online available. So 2 years down the road, 3 years down the road, I set up a mini store down here at Gordon Landmark. That's how it started.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, so if let's say you want to announce your new collection, where do you go to? Do you have any Instagram for us to follow, or there's any TikTok for us to follow?
Oh yes, I do. So any new collections, okay, of course we will announce it at social media. We have all the platform, which is TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
Okay.
And of course we will have the physical product at our store at Gordon Landmark.
So I just want to ask you one last question for today, okay? If there is an advice that you have for the young entrepreneur, what would that be? Nasihat yang terbaik untuk anak-anak muda sekarang.
Nasihat dari segi perniagaan, ya.
Betul.
Of course. Okay, for me, any business that you all anticipate or you're interested in, it has to be jadi you punya minat. Okay, what actually interests you, you love the product itself, and it's easier to connect with your audience about the things that you love. And of course, in my business, comfortability is very important. Because end of the day, it's not if you have to feel comfortable with the material, with the cutting, that is where it matters to me.
Sabar.
Yes.
Haven't finished. We heard that you are going to have a bazaar at the Absolute Fest. Is that true?
Oh yes, I forget to check up to Daddy. Okay, to all yang looking forward for Absolute Bazaar SG, we should be in 6 to 8 March at Singapore Expo Hall 4, and my booth will be at H02. So I'm looking forward for you all to field and try my collections, and hope to see you there.
Wah, bagus lah makcik ni. Mana-mana ada. Okay, insyaAllah kita jumpa lagi. Jangan lupa guys, kalau you all nak try dia pakaian, you datang dekat booth dia atau...
Makcik dia panggil.
Tapi nak panggil apa?
Kakak lah kan. Okay, bye.
Okay puan, insyaAllah kita jumpa lagi.